We're going to demonstrate now a toss that has a little bit more rotation, more height, and now the release of the toss comes from the center of the flagpole here. She's going to demonstrate the rotation that goes a little bit higher. These tosses could be great for dynamic effects, large effects here. And then she'll do one of these tosses, catching it at an angle. Here we're going to talk about how she gets into this toss. We'll stop at the first grab. And then she just repositions the flag, and she'll grab in the middle of the circle. Do that one more time. And pops up. And there she's feeling the weight of the pole as it lifts up, and she's going to tendu just to kind of incorporate a little lower body with this. And then from here, she'll go to carve, where she'll establish that carving motion, where she pushes out in the 45 and comes back to a good angle. Great. And then from here, we'll go to the release point, turning the wrist, and then bringing the pole to a 45. So this toss here, now the weight is coming from the middle of the pole, and she's using left hand to release as well. So you want to try that one more time, just the release point. And notice her left hand that pushes the pole, and she lets go with the right hand right about above her eyebrow. And we'll take a few tosses. And push. Good. We'll take one more. And lift, circle, out. We're going to demonstrate the same toss, and now we're going to show how you can grab the toss with a different grip that gives it a different look. Here it's the same rotation, it's a little bit more height, but she's catching it almost at a flat and then lifting it up by grabbing the toss with the hand over rather than catching it with two hands. So we're going to take one toss, we'll stop at the catch. And then notice there how her hand is grabbing over with a lift in the body. We'll take one more. It's the same prep, same idea with the release, a little bit higher, and then lift up with the body. We're going to do the same toss, and then now she's going to demonstrate that right arm that swings underneath it just to provide a little body underneath the toss. Swing to catch. We'll take one more. The arm will swing underneath it, and then she'll catch it over. So here the toss is giving a little bit more height, and then there's some more dynamics of body underneath this toss versus the first one that we demonstrated. We'll take one more.